I've lived in South Highlands for probably 8 years total, but I've lived in this address for the past 2 years. The inspiration for my lighting project was basically whenever I saw what my electric bill was, whenever I got this 2-story house, I was like, oh wow, the electric bill's going up. So let's try to cut that down a little bit by changing out doing some different projects around the house and changing up some things and changing out the light bulbs. The new thing is switching to LEDs. A lot of people have done it, switching out the can lights to LED light bulbs and whatnot. So I was like, well, I'm gonna give it a shot, and which I did. I went to all LED light bulbs. Well, at first I just did like a couple here and there, and then I actually noticed it a little bit in my electric bill, how it kind of gradually went down. And then here recently, I've did the whole house. The lights are brighter, and my electric bill is lower. So if I bumped into you at the, like say Lowe's, hey, you should get these LEDs. You should get these LEDs because they're gonna make your AC bill go down and they're gonna make your electric bill go down. Yeah, they're a little bit more, but it'll save you in the long run.